Alright everybody, welcome to Code Leveler. So today we are going to solve the problem of the day. The problem number is 2530 maximal score after applying k operations. So you are given a 0 indexed integer array nums and integer k. Okay, you have a starting score of 0. So in one operation choose an index I such that 0 is less than or equal to I less than num start length. So again increase your score by nums of I. Okay, replace nums of I with the sale of nums of I by 3. So return the maximum possible score you can attain after applying exactly k operations. The ceiling function sale of val is the least integer greater than or equal to val. So let's dive into the topic. Array greedy heap chooses priority queue. Okay, so we know what priority queue is. So and the hints, it is always optimal to select the greatest element in the array. Okay, so we are going to use maximum heap. Okay, which take us big of log n times as they are given in the hint. Okay, so this should be a easy problem. Okay, so in the given example we are given this tens in this array and the value k is equal to 5. Okay, which we are going to add and sort of. Okay, so let me just show you quick how this works. 10 10 and 10 and 10. So sorry, in this example we are given these values and the value of k is equal to 5. So returning the output of 50. So what's happening here is, first we are taking the largest element of the array, which is 10. Obviously all the values of the array are 10. So we are going to choose an index. Okay, that is obviously the largest one. Increase your score by nums of I. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So and we are going to get the ceil function, which is also 5. So once again we are going to add the value score, which is equal to 10. Okay, this value. Okay, and then once again the next largest value is the another 10. So again we are going to increment this 5, which will be 15, which will be divided by 3. Okay, sorry, 5. Okay, sorry, this one will be 3, which will be 3, and so on. And we are going to add the score value, which is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 up to 50, which will be our output. Okay, the same goes for here. We are going to find the maximum value of the array and going to act dynamically. So we are going to use a greedy approach here. So let's dive into this problem. Okay, let's create a priority queue. Priority queue integer. Let's name this as maximum heap, which we are going to use. So once again priority queue, and I'm going to define a function here. We can use collection start sort function here. Okay, collection start reverse I get it. But using collection start sort function um, might be so critical, right? I don't want to use this. Maybe you can use that. You can use collections dot, what should I say, reverse order, right? Reverse order function, okay. Or else you can also use um, I think that one such method is like, we are going to check which one is greater, okay. Comparing, we can also use comparator operator, right? I am going to use an arrow function here. This one is arrow function, okay. This is one way and this is second way, and the third way is let me just think. I think that third way can be a little critical, right? Using the same operation here, but with a, okay, but we can use comparator, right? Comparator to be a structure one, okay. Customized comparators thing. So we can also create comparator, like, let me just code this quick. Comparator we are going to use for checking integer here. So, and let's create the function here, like public int compare, okay. Compare, we should be using this compare, which is a syntax for this officially to check the values. Integer a comma integer b, primitive values. Okay, and then once again we are going to check whether boolean value, okay, which is b minus a. So you can also use this with your choice, okay. But I will be using here a comma b, which is a user defined function which uses arrow function, okay, which is b minus a. So guys, I am getting going to quick this real quick, okay. So let's just add this values quickly. Int nums colon, int num colon nums, int have time, okay. We are going to use offer function for adding the values in the queue, okay. Not queue, it will be max-heap, okay. Now just offer the values in here, nums of num, okay, it will be num, and then we are going to create value long because we are going to return the longest value, right? Sorry, using long data type, okay, which can be greater than int, okay. You know the difference between long and int, right? So let's just write this quick, long, and the count, which is used to specify the number of iterations I am going to use, okay. for the value k can be 5 or 3. Here 5 and 3, we have just changed this 3 times here and 5 times in here. Okay, let's just create a while loop. First, for the edge case, I'm going to check whether this is empty. This empty function ampersand, and the count should be less than k. Okay, so now I'm going to get the head which is the front of the queue. Okay, top int s is equal to max heap dot pull function. Okay, I'm going to take and delete it. Now I'm going to add the values to the score. Yes, okay, so I'm going to calculate the next value, which is this one, this value. So it will be like int of no, which will be int. Okay, we are going to add the next value as an integer to the queue. Okay, because it is an integer one. Okay, and we are going to calculate the sale value as we are asked. Okay, sale of integer dot sale of s by 3, and now we are going to add this value to the heap back. So max-heap dot offer of next var. Okay, and increment the count value, and let's just return this, return the score. Okay, let's just run this quick. Okay, getting an error here. So I think tq integer. Okay, it should be priority queue. Okay, this one here is quick again. Okay, a comma b, which will be b minus a, right? Everything is perfect, but there's always got to be some error here. Wait, what? Okay, let me just try this one. Collection start reverse function. Okay guys, I found this. what I actually did wrong. Okay, I just missed the new. Okay, it should work fine. Okay, once again I use capitalized keyword. Okay, max heap dot offer dot next value should be small. Okay, what's the error? Getting a 16 and 17. Okay, why am I getting this? Okay, guys, I think this yes value can be anything, right? It can also be double, right? So let's just add this real quick. Okay, let's just submit this. Hope this works. Alright guys, it worked. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Try to solve the problems daily, and I'm going to start solving problems in Geek for Geeks as well. Okay, I'm going to start this uh, from today. Okay guys, catch up with me so you can solve, gain the ability of problem solving. Okay, I am a beginner too, so let's meet you in another video. Goodbye until then.